everyone, this is me Ishita and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and I also pray that you all stay safe and please take care of yourself and your loved one. So today's video is going to be my May favorite. So I'm going to talk about all my favorite products in the month of May. As we know that we all are struggling with this situation, this is really very scary time for all of us. We all are kind of stuck at our home, so I'm hoping that this video is going to be little form of entertainment for you, because this is new for me also, because this is the first time when I'm doing this type of video, because I'm gonna talk about all the product which I have never talked before and I never showed you in my Instagram account. So before going into the video, I am requesting to all my new viewers watching me for the very first time, please subscribe to my channel and please press that bell icon which will give you notification whenever I upload a new video. And to all my existing subscriber, please hit that like button and give a big thumbs up to this video if you like it, and please follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page for more updates. So I hope you will enjoy this one. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first one is this Sade Roller. I hope I'm pronouncing it correct. So since I have started my skincare routine, I've started using this one. I saw a lot of YouTuber who's doing review about this one, so I went to the Google and I searched about this product, and this is really amazing. This is Sade stone. This is very magically, I can say that, because I got to know that this is kind of that stone which will remove all the negativity around you. If you have any negative energy around you, it will remove all that. And also this really help to reduce all the anxiety and fatigue, and I use it twice in a day. Like I use it in my morning routine and morning skin routine, and I also use it in my night skin routine. So this is very nice. I personally use it around my eyes and my cheek area, because I am kind of getting little fine lines around my eyes, so I am working on it with this one. It will work great on your skin if you use it regularly. However, you can use it as much as you can, because it has no side effect. If you use it, it will give you even more impact, so you can use it as much as you can. This stone itself is giving you cooling or soothingness, but if you keep it inside the refrigerator, it will give you more impact. So I have purchased it from my nearby drugstore. I was looking for it, so I got there and I purchased it, and I've been using it since 1 month, since this month, and this is really nice. I really like the aesthetic appearance of this Sade roller, and just because of this aesthetic appearance, everyone is really attracted toward this roller. So this is very nice and very beautiful, and if you really like crystal, this will give you magical beauty to your skin. This is really amazing. I really love it. So the next one is this Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Cleanser Facial Wash. I was literally looking for this one. Actually, when I was in India, I was using it, but when I have visited here, I was not able to find this product in Walmart, because I usually purchase my skincare product, not exactly skincare, but a few of skincare product from Walmart, but I was not getting this product. So I have started using some other face wash, but that was not working great with my skin, and I was literally suffering from that acne problem, and I was looking for something like this, and I just researched on it, and I got this cleanser most recommended in Google search, and every YouTuber who's having acne problem using this face wash, because it has that tea tree oil in it, and this tea tree oil really good for your acne and also acne mark. It will reduce your acne, or also it will disappear or fade away your acne mark. So I am using these days this cleanser. I have already completed one bottle, and this one is my new one, so I haven't used it yet. Yeah, it's a little bit higher price wise, but if you see the effect or impact, you can say this really does great on your skin. So guys, please go ahead, and if you are having acne problem, go ahead and purchase this face wash. And I will also let you know how you can make your cleanser like that one, and in my upcoming video, because I have some planning to let you know about tea tree oil. So I will let you know how you can make your own tea tree face wash cleanser. The next one is this Neutrogena alcohol free Neutrogena toner. So I have purchased it from Walmart, and this does really great on my skin, guys. I've been using it since 1 month, and I've been adding it in my morning routine and in my night routine. And if you use it, you will feel that it works great on your skin. It's kind of, it won't dry out your skin, and you will feel the moist on your face. So it's kind of a moisturizer, and also it will never dry out your skin as other toner does. And as it is alcohol free, so it works great on your skin. And this is specially formulated to provide a clean, refreshing toning to your skin without making it harsh. So this is really very nice, and it costed me around $8, as it is alcohol free toner. So it will give you soothness, coolingness to your skin, which is every skin's need. So this is really nice, guys. You can use it after face wash, so that you will get more benefit. So the next one is the interesting one, my sunglasses. So I have purchased it from SHEIN, and the leopard print is very beautiful, guys. That's why I have purchased this one. And the thing is that I wasn't wearing it throughout the month, because the situation, we rarely go out. We only go out for essential products like food and grocery. If you are going out for very short time, I'm recommending you to please wear your sunglasses, because it will protect you from sun damage, as we know that we have summer here, and we have to protect our skin. And because if you go out and if you are not wearing your glasses, you might feel difficulties seeing things, so you will squint your eyes, so that will encourage more fine lines around your eyes. It's like that. So I'm recommending you, please wear sunglasses if you are going out. And this is really very nice, and this shade is very good, as it is brown, and it very look luxurious. You can see it has very beautiful detailing here. It has the golden work over here and the above. So this really look great, and also it cover my most of eye area part, which is very good. So I usually wear it when I go out. I have few more sunglasses, but I like this one a lot because this is big, and I like the color and the leopard print. So the last but not the least, I really like this two boho earring. I have purchased it from Cloth Factory, I guess, last year. Yes, last year. And I don't know, I never showed you in my previous videos, but this is really very nice. This is the only boho type of earring I have. I'm looking forward to buy this type of boho. I am saying because this is a lot of color in this one, and this is kind of tassels, so I really like it a lot, and I wore it in my last video. If you haven't watched that video, please go ahead and watch that video. That video is related to saree. I have reviewed one of my saree, so I wore that time this earring. This really look very pretty and I love it a lot. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching it. So these products are my favorite of May month, and I really like it to share it with you. So I hope you enjoy this one. So please don't forget to give a big thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.